Hi guys, I want to show you how I missed a painful loss today in the London session on ES. As you can see, clearly the H4 time frame making higher highs and higher lows. And the basic idea was that we create a higher low here in this area, and then we make another leg to the upside. So my basic idea was looking for longs. If you can see on the 1 hour chart, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that here was the last break of structure. And a second, let me zoom in a little bit. And here was quite the last unmitigated demand zone. So the thing was, here was Asia low and here was Asia high. So in London session, usually the case is that one side, either the highs or lows from Asia will be swept, and then the move to the other side will occur. So I basically waited until either one of the sides is get taken out. So the market was first going to the downside. So then I had a look at Bookmap and I saw a lot of buying orders at this region. And then I thought to myself, okay, maybe this demand zone will hold. And here, by the way, is also liquidity below this candle, because this candle has no wick to the downside, as you can see. So I assume there is liquidity below and also below the Asia lows. So I decided to place my limit entry on this level, on the bottom of this bullish candle here. And and then this is the ground idea, the basic idea, that the market will sweep the Asia lows, sweep from this candle the low, and then maybe get another drive to the upside. So my order looked somehow like this. I placed my limit entry here, and I wanted to first target Asia highs, for 1 to 3. So I placed it here, and then you can see what happened. And this was the first sign of caution for me, because the wick here, it wicked even below this order block. This is very unusual. Normally, when the market wants to go higher, it will only wick a little bit in the demand zone and then get a big thrust to the upside. But this didn't happen here. And I waited and I waited, and then it looked very, very strange to me, because the follow through in London didn't come. And then I thought to myself, okay, I will look at the 1 hour. And then I saw that basically this fair value gap was inverse. You see, this 1 hour did a strong close within this, was a strong close in the demand zone. And this should normally not happen. Normally it should pierce in there and then get a massive rejection. And then thankfully I exited my trade in the profit. And then, as you can see, the market had a big dump. You can see exactly that I was exiting, so I was entering the position here, and then I was exiting here. So this was a live trade I was taking. And so, as I mentioned, I saved myself from a painful loss. If you like this content, then I would appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.